Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Lab. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. And please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing economics, Java, C++, nursing, and many more online courses. You can directly scan my WhatsApp in the first slide of this video and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Now I'm going to start my exam to solve it step by step. Okay, Excel chapter 9 simulation lab. Question 1 is that starting with the summary worksheet, group the QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, QTR4 and summary sheet. Basically in this question we will group this 4 sheet QTR1, 2, 3 and 4. We will click on QTR1 sheet, press Ctrl and then we will select QTR2, QTR3, QTR4 and summary worksheet. With the summary worksheet displayed, fill the content and formatting in cell A1 across all worksheet. We will click on the summary worksheet. Okay, with the summary worksheet displayed, fill the content and formatting in cell A1. Click on cell A1 in the summary worksheet. Click on cell A1 and then we will go to the home tab in the editing group. Click on fill series and then click on across. Fill across worksheet, click on all and then click on OK button. Sorry, we will select content and all. Okay. With the summary worksheet displayed, fill the content and formatting in cell in range A2 to A10 across our worksheet. Now we will select this range A2 to A10, A2 to A10, and then we will go to the home tab in the editing group. Click on fill series, click on fill across, and then we will click on all and OK button. Ungroup the worksheet. Simply right click on this QTR1 sheet and then click on ungroup sheets. Question is completed now. Okay, question number 2 is that group the QTR1 through QTR4 worksheet. Use AutoSum to simultaneously total the values of the data in the range B3 to E11. Simultaneously format the range B3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using the counting number format. Group QTR1 to QTR4 and then use AutoSum to simultaneously total the value of the data. Use AutoSum in the range B3 to B11. Now we will select this range B3 to B11 and then we will go to the home tab and then we will in the editing group click on AutoSum button. Okay. Okay, we will format the range B3 to E11, E3 and B11 to E11 using the accounting number format. We will select this range B3 to E3 first, go to the home tab. In the number group, we will click on accounting number format and then we will select the second range is B11 to E11 and then go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply accounting number format on both ranges. Type monthly sales in cell A11, click on cell A11 and then we will type monthly sales. Okay, apply board in cell A11. Click on cell A11, apply board. Apply the top and double bottom border to the range B11 to E11. We will select first this range B11 to E11 and then go to the home tab. In the font group, we will click on border button and then we will apply top and double bottom. Okay, sorry, top and double bottom. Ungroup the worksheet, right click on QTR1 sheet and then click on ungroup sheet. Okay, question is completed. Okay, with the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell B2. We will click on summary worksheet and then insert a hyperlink in cell B2 to range E2 to E11. In the QTR1 worksheet, include the screen tip first quarter. Simply we will click on cell B2 in the summary worksheet, right click on this, click on link, and then insert a hyperlink in cell B2 to the range E2 to E11 in the QTR1 worksheet, include the screen tip first quarter. Okay, click on page place in this document, type the cell references E2 to E11, E2 to E11, and then QTR1 worksheet. Select QTR1 worksheet, include the screen tip first quarter. We will click on screen tip and then we will type first quarter. Click on OK button. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell C2 to range E2 to E11 in the QTR1 worksheet, include the screen tip second quarter. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell C2. Click on cell C2. Okay, right click on this, click on link button, and then click on place in this document, and then type, we will select QTR2 and then type in the cell references E2 to E11, E2 to E11, and then QTR2 worksheet and screen tape is second quarter. Click on OK button, then click on OK button. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell D2, the range E2 to E11 in the QTR3 worksheet, include the screen tip third quarter. We will simply click on cell D2, right click on cell D2, click on link button, and then click on place in this document. Click on place in this document and then type the cell references is E2 to E11, and then we will select QTR3 worksheet and then E2 to E11, and then click on the screen tip is third quarter. Screen tip is third quarter. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell E2 to the range E2 to E11 in the QTR4 worksheet, include the screen tip fourth quarter. Okay, right click on this, click on link. Okay, place in this document, and then we will select QTR4 and then type in this references E2 to E11, and then click on screen tip, and then screen tip is that fourth quarter. And then click on OK button, click on OK button. Click the hyperlink in cell B2. Okay, we will click on hyperlink in the cell B2. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 4. Select the summary, year and notes worksheet. Hide the selected worksheet. We will select the summary, year and note. Press Ctrl and then select this 3 sheet and then hide the selected worksheet. Right click on this, click on hide sheet. With the QTR4 sheet active, unhide the summary and year worksheet. Right click on this click on unhide button and then we will unhide the summary and year worksheet. Click on summary and year worksheet, summary and year. Click on OK button. Question is completed. The next question is question number 5. Open the 3 new window within the workbook so that all 4 windows display the summary worksheet. Okay, we will go to the view tab in the window group. One second, we will go to the home tab, view tab in the window group. Click on new window button. We will again click on view tab in the window group and then click on new window button and arrange the window of the active workbook so that they are tiled on the screen. Arrange the window of the active workbook. We will go to the view tab in the window group. Click on arrange window button. Okay, active worksheet so that they are tiled on the screen. We will click on tiled and then window of active workbook. Click on OK button. Question is completed now. Question number 6 is that in cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert a relative references to the cell E3 on the QTR1 worksheet. Use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell B10. In cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert a relative references to cell E3 on the QTR1 worksheet. Simply, we will go to the summary worksheet and then insert a relative references to cell E3. We will click on cell E3 first and in cell B3 on the summary worksheet. Click on cell B3. Okay, in cell B3 on the summary worksheet, we will go to the summary worksheet on cell B3. Press is equal to insert a relative references to cell E3 on QTR1 worksheet. We will go to the QTR1 worksheet and then we will click on cell E3 and then press enter. Okay, use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell B10. Okay, use the fill handle to copy the formula down through cell B10. Now I am going to do next question of this exam is some question number 7. In cell F3, insert a 3D formula to sum the value of cell E3 across QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 sheets. In cell F3, insert a 3D formula to sum the value. We will simply click on cell F3. Okay, we will click on cell F3 and then press is equal to insert a 3D formula to sum the value of cell E3 across QTR1, QTR2, QTR3. We will go to the intersum function, press is equal to intersum function for formula to sum the value of cell E3. We will go to the QTR1 for E3 and then QTR2 cell E3, QTR3 cell E3 and then QTR4 cell E3 and then we will press enter. Copy the function in cell F3 to the range F4 to F10. You can see I have found total in cell F3. Now we will copy the function through cell F4 to F10. Okay, question is completed now. Question number 8 is that on the year worksheet, use consolidate tools to select and add the range A2 to E11 from the QTR1 worksheet, the range A2 to E11 from the QTR2 worksheet, the range A2 to E11 from the QTR3 worksheet, and then A2 to E11 from the QTR4 worksheet. Select the top row and left column label and then click OK. We will select on the year worksheet, use the consolidate tool to select and add the range A2 to A11. On the year worksheet, use the consolidate tool to select and add the range A2 to E11. We will go to the data tab. In the data tools group, we will click on consolidate button and then select add the range A2 to E11 from the QTR1 worksheet. We will go to the QTR1 worksheet. We will select A2 to E11. A2 to E11 and then click on add button and then the range A2 to E11 from the QTR2 worksheet. Then we will go to the QTR2 worksheet and then we will select A2 to E11 and then click on add button and the range A2 to E11 from the QTR3 worksheet. We will go to the QTR3 worksheet and then we will select this range A2 to E11. Click on add button and A2 to E11 from the QTR4 worksheet. Go to the QTR4 worksheet. We will select this range. Okay. Select the top row and left column label and then click OK. We will select the top row and left column label and then click OK. Autofit the width of column A to N. We will select this column A to N and then go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button and then click on autofit. Apply center horizontal alignment to the range B1, 2 and 1. We will select this range and then go to the home tab. In the alignment group, we will apply the center horizontally. Board the select range B1, 2 and 1. We will go to the home tab. In the font group, we will apply board on it. Select the range B10, 2 and 10 and apply the total cell style. We will select this range B10, 2 and 10. Okay. And then we will go to the home tab. In the status group, click on cell style button and then we will apply total cell style. Okay, you can see here I have done 9 questions out of 19 for remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses help like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, nursing and many more online courses. I am handling many students' courses on MATLAB Pearson and Sankey Miltap, MC Grahil Seminar, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.